scrub is a guy who thinks his quarter hand is also known as a Faarax.
Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his welfare ass.
So, Maya, I don't want your number.
Maya, I don't wanna give you mine, and
Maya, I don't wanna meet you in the loop.
Maya,
I don't want none of your boo. Maya, I don't want no Faarax. A Faarax is a guy that can't get no jive from me. Hanging at the Dinky toy with his 80s swag, trying to holler at me. I don't want no Faarax. A Faarax is a guy that can't get no jive from me.
hanging at the Dinky toy with his 80s swag, trying to holler at me.
There's a Faarax checking me out and his line is kinda weak.
But my swag won't let him approach me.
Cause I'm looking like nude and he's looking like a fox.
Don't
Want to be on no rhyme, so Maya, I don't want your number.
Maya, I don't wanna give you mine, and
Maya, I don't wanna meet you in the loop.
Maya,
I don't want none of your boo. Maya, I don't want no Faarax. A Faarax is a guy that can't get no jive from me.
hanging at the Dinky toy with his 80s swag, trying to holler at me.
I don't want no Faarax. A Faarax is a guy that can't get no jive from me.
Hanging at the Dinky toy with his 80s swag, trying to holler at me.
If you have a car and you walk in, oh yes, I blow it. I'm talking to you.
If you live at home and you don't help out,
Oh yes, voila, I'm talking to you. If you have a wife and you don't show jive,
oh yes, who know?
I'm talking to you.
Wanna propose to me?
With no money,
Oh no, I don't want no Faarax. No,
Faarax,
no,
Faarax. Oh no, Faarax.
I don't want no Faarax.
A Faarax is a guy that can't get
Get no jive from me.
hanging at the Dinky toy
With his 80s swag.
وهذه no good at it.
بعد استقال
What's going
كيف شعلة
So باباك حنون يا حنون. Y'all got issues. If y'all are scrubs. No Faarax didn't.
No
We
Faarax.
don't need them.
We
don't
want
need
them.
They need
Exactly.
us. They need them.
Don't fall for that.
Please. We don't fall for
Pretty
that.
face.
Amazing
Always
brain.
be a Ganilla, okay? Use your brain.
Girl.
And beauty, girl, you can work it.
Don't
Exactly.
follow the flow. Let the flow follow you.
That's the policy of being a Ganilla.
Remember,
Exactly.
no Faarax.
All right, all right.